friends, Running Kimono here. So in yesterday's curbside video, a couple things just popped off immediately or shortly thereafter. The Shea Moisture rebates on Fetch, apparently they snatched them away within the hour. So, I mean, that deal, probably I would put the brakes on it. And with the first deal that I had with the Downy beads, apparently a lot of you are not getting your $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of them curbside. Now, it is listed in the app and it was reflecting on my account, and I threw it into a basket like 2 or 3 times yesterday and it kept showing. So if you look at that item specifically, and if you go down below, it says additional perks, $5 of Walgreens cash when you send 20 plus on selected products, and it's also advertised in their flyer. So if you get a nice customer service rep, they should comp you the $5. And even if they say, oh, sorry, no, just keep reaching out to them till somebody sees your way. And this is how it is in the app, and it's also showing below those items when you add them into a basket. So I'm not quite sure what's going on, but I did even apply them this morning, like putting 2 in a basket, and I'm still seeing $5 of Walgreens cash. So just be mindful of that. Maybe the soda deal and the paper deal at the balance of the video are the easier two to do. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is talk about some clearance that I've been seeing curbside. So these are, I'm finding them in the app. It's a lot of like body wash and just like really good price. As you can see, everything is cleared in my area, but you might want to look for this St. Ives body wash, or just type in clearance body wash and see what populates in the app. And then another couple that I saw with digital coupons, $4.49, so 50% off the Shea Moisture makeup wipes. And we have a $3 digital coupon that's applying, so it makes this $1.49. So that's quite fantastic. Unfortunately, my store, it was cleared, so I couldn't even try if I wanted to. Another item that's interesting is the Clean and Clear. It's some sort of like face wash for $4.29. Again, it's 50% off. We have a $2.50 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to $1.79. So, if you wanted to put a little curbside basket in with some of these clearance items, make it happen. Okay, so in this video today, I'm also going to talk about using this booster, which is a 10 back when you spend 35. This is of a one-time use, so if you used it a couple weeks back, you can't use it again. Along with the weekly one, which is 6 back when you spend 30. Again, this is of a one-time use. Now, I know a lot of you really like the Dr. Bronner's line, and I don't know why I didn't even think of this a couple weeks back when I was doing these deals, but I was looking at Dr. Bronner's yesterday, and their entire line from chapstick, bar soap, or the liquid soap, which a lot of us use. This is like 2.5 pounds of it, 32 ounces. It's regular priced, but it's working with that summer promotion and the 6 back when you spend 30. And if you think about it, with this soap, you can do like everything in your house, from like laundry, use it as a body wash, use it as a hand soap. There's a million uses for this. And a lot of people are like, oh, the chemicals, and all these cleaners and the plastic. So this is an alternative deal because, it's Dr. Bronner's. So these larger ones I think are the best value. They also have the bar soap and lip balm if you want to mix and match, but you have to be very mindful of the math. So adding 2 of these to a cart, it's $41.98. Now we have this really unique coupon code to do this as a curbside pickup, so that's how I would personally do it. It's called June 15th. It's taking $6.30 off. So those 2 boosters are stacking if you have them, along with this. So, I mean, hey, that's not nothing, $6.30 off of your basket. So that's why I would do this curbside, where you order this stuff through the app and then drive to the store and get it. Okay, so for the 2 soaps, it's $41.98. That coupon code is taking $6.30 off. So your total's still $35.68. So you will qualify for the spend 35, get back 10, and then spend 30, get back 6. That's how I'm getting the math to balance. Curbside pickup is free, tax $37.82 you have to pay with your debit card, which is a very pretty penny. I will not deny that. And then you're getting back $16 for the 2 boosters. So it basically makes these 2 Dr. Bronner's 50% off cost. So it's like $9 and some change per, which isn't a bad dealio. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.